Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share Spotify songs with sound to Instagram story. So it is very easy. First of all, we need to open Spotify and choose the song that we would like to share on Instagram story. So for example, for me it would be this song, and to do this we simply need to click on the share button in the bottom right corner right here. And here we can choose the cover for our story. So it can be this one, just a solid one, a gradient one, etc. You can just customize it if you want, but basically I'll choose this one. And here, if you scroll down, you can find Instagram icon with the caption stories. So if you click on it, it will redirect you to the Instagram, and basically it will be with the sound if you will turn it on. And basically if you click on the send button in the bottom right corner, you can share it to your story clicking on the share button right here. And basically that is it. That is how we can share Spotify songs with sound to Instagram story. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.